and welcome to English Company. Hi, I am Maria. Hi, I am Alex. So we help you learn English conversation, vocabulary, grammar and a lot more in English. So today we have a very interesting topic. We'll learn and understand how to make doctor's appointment in English. Don't forget to subscribe so that you can learn how to make perfect conversations in English. Okay, so let's just start this. Hey Maria, I need to make a doctor's appointment, but I'm not sure what to say. Can you help me? Sure, Alex, it's pretty straightforward. When you call the doctor's office, just start by saying that you'd like to schedule an appointment. For example, hello, I'd like to make an appointment with Dr. Smith. Got it. What information do I need to give them? You'll need to tell them why you're calling so they can book the right type of appointment. For instance, I'm experiencing back pain and would like to see the doctor. Then let them know if you have a preferred time or day. You could say, do you have any availability on Friday morning? What if I'm not sure when doctor is available? They'll let you know what times are open and you can pick that works best for you. If they offer a time that doesn't suit, you can say, is there anything available later in the day? Or do you have a slot on another day? Makes sense. Do they need any other details? Yes, they might ask for some basic information like your name, date of birth and phone number. They'll also ask if you have been to the doctor before or if it's your first visit. If it's your first time, you can say, this is my first time visiting Dr. Smith. How do I confirm the appointment at the end? Once they have set the appointment, you can confirm by saying, thank you, I'll be there on Friday at 10 a.m. It's always a good idea to repeat the date and time back to them to avoid any confusion. That's helpful. What if I need to cancel or reschedule the appointment? If you need to cancel or reschedule, just call the office as soon as possible. You can say, hi, I have an appointment with Mr. Dr. Smith on Friday, but I need to reschedule. Do you have any openings next week? It's important to give them notice so they can adjust their schedule. Thanks, Maria. I feel ready to make the call now. You're welcome, Alex. Just be polite, give clear information and don't forget to confirm the details before ending the call. I hope you enjoyed this session. Don't forget to